Hi guys, welcome to my channel. To decorate the house for festival, I'm sure it's favorite for all of us, but now it's time to pack all this and get the house ready for Thanksgiving and Christmas. So I do have this old suitcase as well as one of the other box to store all the Diwali decoration in there. This time I did very minimum decoration, that's why I still have few things in the box as well as the suitcase. And when I store it, I do label it so I know exactly what's in there. I get question asked about this garland, like where I bought it from, also how do I fluff them. So I bought them from India last time when I went there, and whenever I want to use them, I basically shake them and they fluff up very easily. To make flower set up like this in the pot or the vase, I put the plastic bag in there so that way the flower won't sink in there and I don't have to fill the entire pot with the flowers. And I pack all the same decoration item together in a plastic bag, and I always use the battery operated candle, especially for the diya in the house. So this ready-made rangoli, I bought it I would say at least 2 or 3 years back from Indian Mela, but still it is in good shape and none of the design has messed up. So I pack it in the original box that it came in. And these are the diya I bought it this year, but as you see here also I'm using the battery operated candle so that way there is no any mess and I can use this diya next year too. Here are the few items which I didn't use it this time. So I do have this toran which I brought it from India. Also have some few extra flowers and candle holder. This bunny candle holder I use it during the springtime. And I like to separate the decoration by festival so that way when I want to decorate the house, it is easy for me to find. Instead of storing all the things together, I pack them separately. I do have this dabba. I guess I can use it for puja, but as you can see, I have never used it and I wish I can provide you link, but I bought it from India. So this diya is few years old. As you can see, the color is faded, but it's not messy from inside at all because I use the battery operated candle. Now the diya that I keep it outside the house, for that I use the oil, but the inside I always use the battery operated candles because houses over here are made of wood and it's not safe to keep unattended regular candles. So I use the regular candle but only in the kitchen. On this ottoman, I keep things simple by keeping some coasters as well as wooden tea light holder. I'm going to use this basket to store extra blanket for cozy winter days. And this blanket, after rolling it, I'm gonna flip the other side as you can see here, so you can use this as a cushion also. This decoration, I'm not ready to take them down. Last week it was audience birthday and I decorate this wall with the balloons. Few of the balloon, as you can see, it fell, but I'm not ready to clear this out yet. As we get closer to Christmas, I might change this cushion, but as of now, I'm not ready to pack them. In this middle cushion, I keep it almost all year around. I just change the battery when it's required and it brings lots of coziness to this room. And these are some of the extra cushion cover which I bought it recently from Amazon. I'm gonna link it down below in the description box. They are really good quality, which I was really surprised because sometimes when you buy from Amazon, you can't tell how the quality will be, but these are really good. And these are the cushion cover that I use it for the family room. And lastly, I'm going to spray this room so it smells good in here. And we do have a dimmer in this light so I can set it up how bright or dim I want it. Every evening I turn all the candles as well as I put this light on the dim to make this room extra cozy. So I'm gonna end this video here, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.